Silver Cloud's plant here with a short minute with a fern. So this is a rabbit's foot fern. They have silver waxy leaves on them that reflect light when they're dehydrated. So it's really drought tolerant. It's one of the really airy ferns that doesn't require a lot of water, and it's one of the species that's popular that frequently gets overwatered. So keep that in mind, that the plant has adapted for low water, even though its appearance is a little misleading in that sense. Another neat thing about this plant, this rabbit's foot fern, is it has these little hairy rhizomes, and those store sugar kind of like roots, and they grow along the soil surface, putting in little mycelia. So basics of fern biology: they don't have leaves, they have fronds, and they don't have stems, but instead stipes. So that's pretty neat. And they sporulate instead of making flowers and fruits. So Fern 101, rhizomes, stipes, and fronds. So the next part of this video is going to be on Tillandsia, or air plants. These are popular all over the place at box store garden centers. They grow native all over the eastern panhandle and in the tropics, I believe. And they're in the same family as pineapple. And that's another tropical, drought-tolerant plant that resembles this type of aloe geometry. There's a few that you can find for sale, and they're really fun to collect, but the important thing to do when watering them is to soak them in a bowl and to not just mist them, because misting them simply doesn't give them time to absorb the water that you are perpetually trying to get the plant to absorb. And it doesn't have roots, so it doesn't store the water that it gets. It absorbs it directly through osmosis. So this guy's pretty good right now, but I would put him in a bowl of water for 10 or 20 minutes and set a timer. So today we covered the care of air plants, Tillandsia, and the morphology of the rabbit's foot fern. So thank you for watching, YouTube.